Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to locate and modify your Outlook password within 5 minutes. Whether you need to recover a lost credential or simply want to enhance your account security, these simple instructions will help you finish the task quickly. To begin, launch your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. This is your starting point for managing your account details. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button. You will be asked to provide the email address linked to your Outlook profile. If you are unsure of the exact address, try using the one you most commonly associate with Microsoft services. After submitting your email, you will reach the password entry screen. You can log in normally if you remember your current password, but if your goal is to update it, follow along with the next steps. Once you have accessed your account, click on the mail icon to enter the primary Outlook dashboard. This ensures you are fully authenticated before making changes. From the main interface, look at the top right corner for your profile image or avatar icon. Click this icon to open a menu with various account options. From this list, choose the My Microsoft Account link. This takes you to the central dashboard where all your personal data and security preferences are stored. Now that you are on the Account Management page, locate the Security tab. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar or as a specific tile on the home screen. Selecting Security opens a dedicated section for protecting your account. This is a vital step for performing a full security audit. Within the Security area, look for a link or button labeled Change Your Password. Click it to reach the screen where you can set a new credential. Make sure your new password is robust by combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using predictable patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or the word password itself, as a strong password is your primary defense against hackers. Type your chosen password into the provided boxes. You will likely need to enter it a second time to verify there are no typing errors. Once confirmed, click the Save button to finalize the update. Your password is now successfully changed. As a final tip, treat these steps as part of your regular digital maintenance. Frequently updating your credentials and keeping recovery methods like backup phone numbers or emails active will keep your account safe. We have covered how to access your Microsoft account, find the security settings, and update your password efficiently. This process provides better protection and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your Outlook security easy.